In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine. Whether you're new to Grok or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step to utilize this fantastic tool for your projects. The journey starts with your web browser. Open it up, and in the address bar, enter Google. You probably do this every day, but this time, focus on searching for Grok. Once you've typed that in and hit enter, you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Your aim is to find the official Grok website, which should be listed fairly high on the results page. Click on it to proceed to their site. Now that you're on the Grok website, the next step is to find and click on Imagine. This feature of Grok is where the real magic happens, allowing you to harness creative capabilities in a highly intuitive way. Once there, you'll notice a prompt section that serves as your canvas for creativity. Here, you can input your ideas, concepts, or specific parameters to tailor the experience to exactly what you want. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to achieve and craft a thoughtful prompt. With your prompt ready, it's time to hit the Submit button. A simple click here sets Grok in motion, bringing your ideas to life in new and imaginative ways. The results generated can range from close matches to unexpected surprises, so be prepared for a variety of outcomes. You're encouraged to explore these results, as inspiration can often come from the most unlikely sources. Browse through them and take your time to assess what aligns best with your vision. Once you've made your selection, you'll have the option to choose a video preset. For this demonstration, let's go with something lighthearted. Select the funny preset to insert a comedic twist into your project. This preset automatically applies stylistic elements that infuse humor, ensuring your content is not only engaging, but entertaining too. That's it! You've learned how to use Grok Imagine, from accessing the website to exploring creative outputs and selecting a preferred style. This tool is fantastic for automatically enhancing your project with creative flair, all while maintaining an easy-to-use interface. If you're feeling adventurous, don't hesitate to play around with different prompts and presets. Experimentation can lead to exceptional and surprising results, making Grok Imagine a versatile extension of your creative process. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using Grok Imagine. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!